Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we are discussing immunology questions of last 20-year GATE biotechnology. So question number 11 is oils rich in PUFA are not desirable for biodiesel production because PUFAs are long chain fatty acids containing two or more double bonds. So option 1, that is they form epoxides in presence of oxygen, is correct. So question number 12 is presence of this sequence in a protein suggests that it is zinc finger protein is a DNA binding protein domain consisting of a zinc finger ranging from 2 in the Drosophila regulator ADR1. They occur in nature as a part of transcription factors conferring DNA sequence specificity as the DNA binding domain. So option C, zinc finger protein, is the correct answer. Question number 13 is match the recombinant products in group 1 with their therapeutic applications in group 2. So human growth hormone is used in dwarfism, erythropoietin used in anemia treatment, factor 8 is being used in hemophilia treatment, and platelet derived growth factor used in chemotherapeutic drug induced thrombocytopenia treatment. So option A, that is P1Q2R3S4, is the correct answer. So question number 14 is dizygotic twins are connected to a single placenta during their embryonic development. These twins, so dizygotic twins are heterologous twins developed from two separate oocytes fertilized at the same time. So these twins can accept graft from each other and they have identical MSC haplotype and identical TS cells. So answer D, can accept graft from each other, and first and second are correct. Question number 15 is lymphocytes interact with foreign antigen in. So lymphocytes constitute 20 to 40% of the body's white blood cell and 99% of the cells in the lymph. Lymphocytes interact with foreign antigen in lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are the sites where immune responses are mounted to antigens in lymph. Lymph nodes are the first organized lymphoid structure to encounter antigens that enter the tissue spaces. So answer D, lymph node, is the correct answer. Question number 16. A neonatally thymectomized mouse immunized with protein antigen shows. So, a neonatally thymectomized mouse appeared healthy until about 2 to 4 months of age. Thymectomy after 3 weeks of age was not associated with any significant impairment of homograft immunity. So, answer B, only primary response to the antigen, is the correct answer. Question number 17 is interferon beta is produced by. So, interferon beta is produced mainly by fibroblast and some epithelial cell types. The synthesis of interferon beta can be induced by common inducers of interferons including viruses, double-stranded RNA, and bacteria. It is also induced by some cytokines such as TNF and IL-1, that is tumor necrosis factor, and interleukin 1. So answer C, both viruses and bacteria infected cells, is the correct answer. Question number 18 is hybridoma technology is used to produce. So hybridoma technology is used to combine the properties of site-specific antigen activity of B cells with the immortality property of myeloma cells, that is cancerous cells. Thus, the cells from a successful hybridoma experiment have single specificity of B cell with indefinite lifespan property. Antibodies therefore produced are all of single specificity and hence are monoclonal in nature. Question number 19 is determine the correctness or otherwise of the following assertion and the reason. Assertion: immunoglobulin M is found in serum as a pentameric protein consisting of 5 IgM monomers. Reason: the pentameric form of IgM is due to cross-linking of IgM monomers via peptide bond. So, immunoglobulin M is a basic antibody that is produced by B cells. IgM is by far the physically largest antibody in the human circulatory system. It is the first antibody to appear in response to initial exposure to antigen. The spleen is the major site of specific IgM production. Hence, option C, A is true but R is false, is the correct answer. Question number 20 is match item in group 1 with group 2. So, Alzheimer's is a form of dementia which happens due to deposition of amyloid beta. This happens in neural junction of brain. Mad cow is a fatal neurodegenerative disease caused in cattle due to misfolded protein called prions. Sickle cell disease is a recessive genetic blood disorder. It causes abnormal, rigid, sickle shape of red blood cells due to mutation of the hemoglobin genes. Swine flu is an infection caused by various types of swine influenza virus. The known SIV strains include influenza C and the subtypes of influenza A known as H1N1, H1N2, H3N1, H3N2 and H2N3. So option A, that is P4Q3R2S1 is the correct answer.